So here's the situation. Let's say a disagreement is arising in the context of your business dealings. There's no litigation yet, no one's been sued, but you sense that things might be heading for trouble. Should you call your litigation lawyer?
I would say certainly. I often say to people that we deal in disputes, and that involves a lot more than lawsuits.
I think that sometimes clients are hesitant to get litigators involved, but we can help at a very early stage of the process. We know you, we know your business, and we can help to solve problems, hopefully before they crystallize into litigation.
And that's key. We're often on the front lines once litigation starts, but even before litigation, we can often be working hard in the background, helping you and your team solve the problem you're facing.
We know you want to avoid litigation, and litigators negotiate resolutions for a living, so we bring a particular skill set to bear in terms of your ability to settle a dispute at an early stage.
And appreciating your risk is critical to a smart negotiation. We can help you understand your exposure. We know the issues, we know what kinds of questions to ask you, and we know what kind of facts we have to get to the bottom of.
And it's not just your risk, it's also the strengths of your legal position. We can help put correspondence in the record that might have the other side think twice about whether they want to bring a claim against you.
Right, and there's often the unfortunate situation where in a pre-litigation context, people sometimes don't think through their communications enough, and a litigation lawyer can really help add value there.
There have definitely been times where I've gotten served with the claim, and I thought, I wish the client hadn't written that letter, or they could have phrased something differently that might have avoided the dispute altogether. And we also know how to protect settlement privilege so that we know what you would want to have on the record if litigation arises and what you'd rather not be before the court.
And people often worry that engaging a litigation lawyer early turns the temperature up and gets in the way of a resolution. But we can really work on two tracks. Not only making sure your position is protected if you end up before the courts or an arbitrator, but also assisting your efforts to resolve things at an early stage.
So next time, if things start to go slightly awry in your business dealings, you should think about calling your litigation lawyer.
We are always happy to help.